Welcome to the sharpest corner of the internet. I'm your host, and I'm about to take you on a cutting-edge journey. Get ready for a sharpening showdown. Today we're putting PDT Tools PoltavaPremium Silver Stones to the test. 160, 325, and 650 grit. We'll be working with a stunning handmade Damascus knife, and I'll be using the K4 sharpener from TSProf to bring out the best in the stones. Let's see if this babies can deliver the goods. First up, we've got the PoltavaPremium Silver 160 grit stone. This is where the magic begins, coarse, aggressive, and re-dye to start reshaping. The PDT Premium Silver Stone is a high-performance sharpening solution designed for Damasteel 60 plus HRC. Using advanced vitrified metal bonding, it ensures fast material removal, long-lasting durability, and precision sharpening. I'm going with these three stones because they are perfect for rebeveling. That's all I need. The 160, 325, and 650 premium silver stones will take the edge from rough to refined, and I'm exited to see the results. Let's compare the premium silver stones to the premium bronze stones. The difference in structure and grid distribution is going to be interesting to see. As you can see in the microscope photos, the CBN content is almost similar in both series of stones, but the softer bronze bond does not hold the grains in as well as the silver ones. For the test, I chose an extraordinary knife. It's not just a knife, it's a work of art, crafted by the skilled hands of Daniil Rusev. The blade is stunning Damascus pattern, forged from Damasteel and shaped by Slavov. The hardness of 61 to 62 HRC, and the fact that the knife does not have a secondary bevel, but is left at 0.3 mm after the primary bevel, gives us great conditions to test today's stones, how they handle material removal. The Mokimagain guard and heel add a touch of elegance, while the Mammoth molar handle provides a unique and durable grip. All right, time to get some visual feedback. I'm using a marker to highlight the primary bevel. And now I'll check how the 325 grit silver stone interacts with it at a random 20-degree angle on each side. This will show me if I'm in the right zone, or if I need to adjust the knife's position. Let's see if the marker disappears evenly. Yes, great. The marker has disappeared evenly, and I can now move on. I'm putting a 160 grit silver stone in place of a 325 and starting at 21 degrees per side. I'm starting with a higher angle so I can bevel the blade more easily. Then I'll gradually lower it to the angle I want. Yep, this 160 grit is doing some serious work. Carving out that secondary bevel in no time, depite the knife's 61 to 62 HRC hardness. Gotta keep an eye on it, though these stones are aggressive, and it's easy to overdo it and wear down the edge. So after 5 minutes, I've got the burr at 21 degrees per side. Now it's a slow dance, lowering the angle, feeling for the burr, and repeating. Gonna ride this wave all the way down to 17 degrees, refining the edge with each step. This PoltavaPremium Silver 160 grit is a beast. It's devouring the steel, and I'm getting the results I want. Fast. Definitely one of the best sharpening experiences I've had, and I can't wait to see how the rest of the process goes. I'm already done with a 160 grit stone. The before and after is stunning. To the naked eye, the edge looks crisp and even and very well shaped. Great, that's what we want. But the microscope reveals the truth. 160 grit stones left its mark, and there's some chipping to be seen. That's what I call aggressive sharpening. Now it's time to refine and smooth things out. Time to switch gears and bring in the 325 grit stone. This is where the refinement begins. Gonna work this stone until I've got a burr on both sides, and then until remove those 160 grit marks. Smoothing out the rough edges, literally. The 325 grit premium silver is on fire. It's eating away the scratches and leaving a sweet edge. Love the aggression. It's exactly what I need to get this knife razor sharp. Feedback's spot on, too. I can feel it working its magic. The 325's done its job, and microscope shows finer scratches, no big pits or chips. The results are awesome. The edge looks spot on to the naked eye, straight, even, and consistent along the whole blade. These Poltava Silver stones are fire. Ready to push it further. What's next? Moving on to the 650 grit Poltava Silver stone, I'm gonna work it until I've removed the scratches from the 325 and got that burr on both sides of the blade. This is where things start getting really sharp and refined. The goal is to get a smooth, even edge that's ready for the next stage. All right, guys. The 650 grit Poltava Silver Stone is putting in work. It's fast, it's aggressive, and with softer steels, it could even be a starter stone. And just to keep it real, this isn't sponsored. I bought these babies with my own cash, and I'm hyped to share my honest review. These stones are slaying and tear a perfect fit with my other Poltava Crew Premium Bronze, Expert Pro, and of course, TSProf Alpha Series. Who's ready to see the next level of sharp? Here is a photo from the microscope after the 650 grit stone. Great result, the scratches are even, no pits or chips. All right, folks, we're talking serious business here. After putting this knife through the ringer with the 14/10 Poltava Expert Pro stones, I'll go through the all TSProf Alpha stones that I have, one by one, 2,000, 5,000, 9,000, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0 grit. I will try to remove the scratches from the previous stone with each stone. We're looking at cutting edge that is not just sharp, it's aggressive. The moment of truth. The final reveal is in, and man, it's a beauty. The cutting edge is shaving smooth, polished to perfection, and looks razor sharp. I've worked that knife like a pro, and the results are speaking for themselves. Can't wait to see it sliced through some real-world tests. You see the knife looks great with a well-polished cutting edge at 17 degrees per side. Let's also see how it cuts an empty cigarette tube. Wow, without even thinking about it. Such a thinly curved cutting edge penetrates the cigarette paper with ease. We've done a great job with this blade, but the geometry itself is also very good. My final conclusion about working with these three PoltavaPremium silver stones is that they are great for initial edge building, fast and aggressive. The CBN concentration is incredible, and overall they are worth every penny. Regarding the K4, I have nothing more to say than the previous video. Simply an incredible device, wonderfully made. I have already tested it on many knives, and I am super happy that I managed to agree with people from tsprof.eu on a good price at which to buy it. So this is my new sharpener, and I couldn't be happier with it. I will put links in the video description for both tsprof.eu and tsprof.us. If you order through them, you are helping my channel. You can also use a 5% discount code. Regarding the knife, beautifully selected materials, also great workmanship, really very high level. I am surprised by how aggressively the knife cuts after a stone 11,000 grit alpha without stropping. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found it interesting. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, like the video and leave a comment in the comments.